Hello and good day. I'm going to show you how to install SQL Server 2008. Now first thing you must install is the net framework. Okay, recommend install the version suited for the SQL Server. If it's 2005, recommended NetFrame 2 or 3.5. Okay, now the software already did its checks to make sure my computer or laptop has met the requirement. Okay, so now it's doing the support file, as you can see, and it already passed the product key, so now it's loading the support files. Okay, when that's finished, I go straight into the installation aspect. Now I select on what installations I would want, as you can see. Okay, host name. Okay, now this tells me how much space is required, this space. Also here I have to also implement two accounts with password for the search server and the engine, as you can see. Okay, I upload the account I am on at the moment. Okay, and then the installation begins. Just overview again, as you can see.